This is Project Apex, an ECD Signature Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Apex is painted in full gloss Arliss blue color with black accents all around. Apex sits on 18-inch Con 1983 wheels with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. On the outside, this D110 features a 6-point roll cage, E.C.D black metal steering guard, and a classic front bumper with daytime running lights. On the inside, Project Apex features a Momo prototype steering wheel with mole bumper gauges, 2 Recaro Expert seats in front and middle rows, as well as 4 inward-facing seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in Ferrari blue sterling and Sabia Napa leather with single vertical diamond custom stitch patterns. Apex is powered by our LT4 V8 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This D110 also features an array of modern conveniences such as Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, and access to USB ports.